And Baltasar again holds the ball. 10 on the game. Deep 3. Bam! Assist goes to the wings. Place bucket. Take and pass. Place bucket. Pass to the middle. Assault step. Place Bares bucket. Welcome to Tarlac Intermunicipality. And first ball possession to Victoria. Bares lays short. Number 41, Solis to the baseline. There's hook shot, bucket, first blood. He's rejected. Good score pass. And recover, hook pass. And a good pass and a good finish. Victoria. And Gabriel with the ball. Defix. Posting up. Bounce pass to the middle. Hook shot. Off the mark. And stop. Pull up jumper. Bucket. Solid. And 6-2 natin ang score natin. Bares. He attacks. Goes inside. Oh, denied. And Barca foul. Bound. Here's number 0. And open. Flores pass to the corner, baseline attack, kicks out. Flores fakes, inside pass, reverse layup, bucket. Good for slowly dribbling the ball against Castor using the screens. Baltasar nakalusot, bucket for 2. And Kapitan recover by Flores. Attacks, fires of the window, bullseye. Baltasar receives the ball, he dribbled the ball. He stopped. Pass to Baltasar, Baltasar to the middle. Pull up J. Oh, bucket. Down to 5-point lead. Flores. He pass. Javier with the receive. Javier using the screen. He spins between the legs. Shot clock down to 8. Inside pass. Post at far. Basket and one. Assist goes to the wings. Place bucket. And here's Felipe, pass to for 3, bound for Team Camiling Agas. Pass to the middle, Felipe kicks out, takes Santos. Pass inside the floater, bucket. Agas spin. Agas straight to the host, Minecos, no good. Tips in, won't go. And a pass break. And pass. Takes bucket. Santos, pass to the corner. Pandenaria bump, spins, falling away, bucket! Ball is stolen by Agas. Seconds to play, floater, good. Dolores, pass to Bares, inside pass. Gabriel posting up, bounce pass, ball is stolen. Santos, and a pass to Agas. Agas, pull up J off the glass, bucket. 7-point lead. Pass to the wings. Oduka. Pass to Dolores for 3. Bam! 8-point lead. For Team Camiling Spins. Oduka goes inside. Vinegos, no good. Rebound. Dolores pull up J. Won't go. Rebound Gabriel. Pass to the middle. Assault step. Liz Bares. Bucket. Agas. Long pass to Julian, pass to the middle, Agas, Satres, very good. Bares on Harry, 4 on 2. Gabriel, no look pass, bucket by Dolores. Agas, goes the mid lane. Agas, using the screen by Pandenaria, the bounce pass to the corner, 4-3. Bang! 3 po. Dolores, Bares, crossover attacks, lays, short. Rebound Solis. He pass. And now Flores behind the back pass is stolen. Nauna na ngayon si Gabriel. Lays bucket. Easy 2. Pass to the corner. He fakes. He attacks. And inside pass. Oh, Halio pass. A love pass. Oduka setting the play. Pass to Gabriel. Pass back Oduka. Picks. Fires at 3. Short. Rebound. Solis. Slowly dribbling a crossover. Iniwan si Gabriel. Solis, halip pass to short. And a long pass. And now na Dolores lumipad. Easy bagay. Dolores. Pass to Bares. Bares attacking the defense. Goes inside. Easy win in. Down to 3-point lead. Flores. Attacks. Ito na middle. Solis. Lays. Yes sir. Oduka for 3. Short. Rebound. Kamiling. Solis now. Bounce pass. Ebinet Betavier Sopalpa. Kamiling looking for receiver now. And alley-oop pass. And alley-oop pass. Oh, rejected again. Spin fake. Falling away. Bullseye. Bares attacks against Solis. Pass to the corner. And natapigan. Recover. And pace. Bucket. And just number 10 Javier to Flores. Pass to Solis. South letter lost. Bucket. Oduka. Pass to Bares for 3. Short. Bares. Javier. Solis. Ipas. Mostro. Lumipad. Bucket. Castro. And Hugo Gabriel Nolo pass inside. The good pass and the good finish. And pass to Solis. Solis. And stolen. And a long pass. Gabriel with the receive. And pass inside. Dolores na naman. Bakit Dolores? And Flores. Pass to Solis. Pass back. Flores takes. Floater shot. Nugget. Flores again. Oh, bakit? Flores. Pass to Baltasar. Goes inside. Sinausaw. Bakit? Agas. And down to 5-point lead for Team Kamiling. He pass. And he stops to the middle. Victoria fires. Bullseye of the glass. Cross the middle. Norin. Stops to the middle. Baltasar to Norin. Reverse layup. Bakit? Norin. For the backdoor inbound. And Baltasar pass back. Bares. Fires off the window. Bakit? Bares. The over. And Baltasar holds the ball. He dribbled the ball. Pass to Baltasar. Pass to Norin. Norin. Crossover. Attack. Side step. Hook shot. To Norwood. Oh, stolen from this bounce pass. Nandun na naman. And Baltasar for 3. Won't go. Baltasar again, the rebound to Baltasar. Baltasar to Baltasar. Falling away. Baltasar. Baltasar. And for 3. Short. And Baltasar again holds the ball. 10 on the game clock. Launch 3. Deep 3. Bam! From way downtown for the lead. And Agas on Harry. That's Flores for the inba. And the pass. Pass back Flores to the wings. Castor, bump, falling away. Bucket to Baltasar. Baltasar against Castor. Asking for a big bounce pass to Baltasar. Pass to the wings. Launches on 3. Bang! Yes. Pass to the wings. Pass back Flores to the middle. To the wings. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Rebound by Flores. The long pass. Castor launches on 3. Bang! Castor. Norin. Pass to Baltasar. To Norin. Norin against Castor. Pass inside to Baltasar. Posting up. Goes to the middle. Pass inside. Fires. Bucket. Bares with the finish. Flores against Bares. Pass to the corner. Fires at 3. Castor. Bang! Back to back trip. And here's Baltasar. Pass to the corner. Sa 3. No good. Oh, back. Flores attacking the defense against Oduka. And goal 100 loss. And Solis with the recover. Picks. Pinabitin. Bullseye. Javier. Point lead for Team Kamiling. Norin with the ball. To Oduka. Oduka to Baltasar. Pass to the corner. Attacks. Bump. Bares spin lace. Oh, spectacular move. Solis. Kicks out. Pass back Solis. Attacks. Fire off the window. Easy to. Moving down. Receive by Bares. The floater. Too strong. Rebound Solis. Solis, sumegway behind the back, bump is stolen. Oduka 1-2, and rise of the glass. Bares with the 1 point lead for Team Kamiling. Felipe stops, bounce pass to Castor. Castor attacking the defense. Lace bucket, up by 3. The inbound, and here's Norin. He pass, Oduka, bounce pass inside, kicks out. Open Norin for 3, off the mark. Rebound Felipe, bounce pass. Javier, side step, nakalusot na floater, bucket, up ng Harry. He pass to Pascual, goes to, rejected. Tasar, the long pass, nauna si Norin, picks, and kicks out, open picks. Oduka, floater, short. Baseball pass. Esteves, pull up J, long to, bullseye. Point lead for Team Kamiling. Baltasar dribbling the ball against Esteves. He goes to the wings. And Baltasar attacking the defense to the traffic area. Bucket and 1. And stops Flores. He pass. Victoria for 3. Short. Rebound. Put back. In. Bucket for Pro. Pass for 3. Odu. Bang! 1 all. Flores. Pass to Esteves. Esteves goes to the middle, between the legs, against Oduka, attacking the defense, to the wings, attacks to the waistline, no, the Eurostep too strong. Baltasar the rebound. Baltasar stop, deep 3, bam! And close the mid lane. Attacks, and stops, Solis, stops, pass inside, ball is stolen. And a pass break, nauna na si Oduka, Liz, 5-point lead. Team Kamiling, open for 3, Castor, bam! Minutes on the game clock, down to 2-point lead, to the middle, Dolores, Baltasar, pass to Gabriel, Gabriel, against Julian, pass to the middle, recover, Oduka for 3, bam! Back to 5. Solis stop, launches on 3, bam! Beat the ball, recover, 2-3 on 1, lumipad, lace, bucket, 4-point lead. Here's Julian, he pass inside, the lob pass and the finish by Castor. The receive, he is at the top, dribbling the ball between the legs, against Flores. Baltasar to the middle, launches on deep 3, bam! Baltasar. And pass at 3, short, that's their baseball pass. Oduka, pass to Gabriel, 1-on-1 with Solis. Solis, bounce pass to Bares, pass back, Gabriel, pull up jumper, bucket, Gabriel, 7-point lead for Team Victoria. Flores, against, and bounce pass, lost the ball, recover by Solis, for 3, short, rebound. He goes out. Javier for the backdoor inbound. Team Kamiling looking for receiver now. Pass fakes. Lace. Oh, easy to. Solis. Ibababa ang bola across the mid lane. Pass to the wings. Fakes. And to the middle, Castor. Pull up J. Bucket. Casas. Buti na lang nandun si Dolores. Oduka. Stop. Step back for 3. In and out. Rebound, Agas, and stolen. No, too strong. Baltasar, Solis, si pass. Hey! Ugas. Anyari kayo sa Brel. And libreng-libre. Fakes, catch, par, bucket. Pass to Esteves. Spins, Esteves. And he pass. Ball is stolen by Baltasar. Baltasar against Flores, spins, floater, easy to. And number 5, picks. Flores. Flores goes to the screen, open for 3. Bam! 3-point. Gabriel in Harry. Oh, lost the ball. Oh, boy. Oh. Corner pass to the middle, Gabriel kicks out, open for 3, bang! Oduka! 8-point lead, Flores, Solis, spins, pull up J, Buka, bullseye, cross pass, Dolores, Dolores against Castor. Pass to the wings, to the corner for 3. So strong. And the pass. Flores. Attack systems. Lace. Yes, sir. Down to 4-point. And Flores. Pass to Baltasar. To Bares. Bounce pass to Gabriel. Posting up. Spins. Kicks out. Uy. And Castor. Binitbit. Oh, foul. Oh, uy. And Castor on the free throw area. Bucket. Down to 3-point lead. Castor, another on the free throw. Bullseye. 2-point lead. 3 all. 1 minute and 48 seconds. Baltasar against Castor. Goes to the screen. Crossover move. Attacks. Baltasar on the free throw for the lead. Bucket. Baltasar last on the free throw area. Bucket. 2 out of 2. Corner pass. Flores. 10 seconds. Shot clock. Attacks. Corner. Pull up G. Won't go. Rebound. Oh, my foul. The inbound. He pass. Kicks out. Baltasar. Taking it easy. Pass to the corner. Pass back. Baltasar to Baltasar. To the wings. He attacks against the oh, pass. Castor against Castor. No. Solis. He stops. Pass to Castor. To Solis. Open for 3. For the lead. Short. Oy. Oy. It's on the game clock. 38 seconds.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Down to 10 seconds on the shot clock. Oduka stop. Launches on 3. No. Rebound. Pass break now na si Castor for the tie. Lace. Too strong. Rebound. Bounce pass. Seconds to the play. My foul. 2-point lead for Victoria. Seconds to play. To the middle. Javier. 15 seconds. Pass corner. And Oduka. Pass. Bounce pass. He pass. 5 seconds. Oh. And a foul. Baltasar last on the free throw. No good. And congratulations, Team Victoria.